My other name is Shelakuti Ishmukanet. Ishmukanet, which is me, is the grandmother who made people out of corn. The animals brought the corn to her. There were many different types of corn. She made people out of the corn by grinding the corn and then molding it. Making tamales is like a reminder of Ishmukanet.
We're gonna use tzalik. Can you guys say tzalik?
Talik!
Tzalik.
Talik!
Okay, nice try. We're gonna work on that one. That's the corn leaf or husk that we use to make the tamal. And then we have nishtamal,
Lishtamal!
which is a Nahuatl word, but the Quiche version is tzi.
Si!
Okay, and we're gonna use wa'il. Can you say wa'il?
Wa'il!
Which is yellow corn, which there's many kinds of corn, but we're gonna use yellow corn today. We're gonna put in chop.
Chop! Chop! Chop!
Chop is what?
Chop! Chop!
It's pineapple.
That's right, good job.
So we're doing sweet tamales. We're gonna make tamales with yellow corn this time. We usually do blue, but yeah, we're doing yellow corn. So I'll put it into the corn husk, and Sal and Desiree are gonna put pineapple in it and then wrap it.
You have to cook it to get all of Shella's extra flavorings from her fingers in there. Shella! And just put it straight right here, face down.
Daddy, where's
Then
the
it'll be
stuff
okay.
to tie it?
We can rip one for you. Here, look. Here's a string if you want one.
Por favor. Thank you, Naya. Welcome.
The story of Maui slowing down the sun. The way he did it,
Okay, hold on. I'll get some.
because it's a bit more of a metaphor, or you could say represents how he discovered New Zealand, where New Zealand, in summer, the days are a lot longer.
As Mayans and Diaspora, because we live here in Aotearoa and we bring our traditions with us, but we also respect the local knowledge and the elder culture here, which is Maori. And so it's important for us to remember that even though we're doing our celebration for solstice, that we recognize that the solstice here is tied and connected to Maori knowledge as well, so we can celebrate Maui and his great feats of slowing down the sun and the long day that is coming for summer solstice.
And animals come in my house in my dreams, and when it was my day, a lion sharks eat a lion, and the lion ate a shark.